Alright, this video is going to be how to purchase credits for the client-server generator. Um, First thing you want to do is go to getAsYouWork.com. This is my site. This is where I sell stuff. You want to click on client-server generator on the featured tabs that are there. You get some explanation on what this is and a little information about me. And then you hit the packages, which is where you can purchase a credit or 10, whatever you need. So click a credit or click one of the packages. You get some information that leads you to this sample site, which you can see what you are buying. I have it set to the sidebar layout. You can set it to, you'll see drawer layout off the bat. No, actually, you'll see header layout off the bat. But my favorite is probably tab. Anyway, that's in another video, but you can check out what is going on in here. So with this costs $40. It can be it's a base template for a website. It's also a base template for a iOS app and an Android app. It has the base layout and connection to a API server, which has possible connections to ChatGPT, Zoom, whatever services I have on there for now. I've worked a lot on this, so I need to make money to get out of my mom's basement. So you would hit purchase, you would select yes, you would have to log in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm logging in. I would then hit purchase again because I want you to hit purchase twice. So I know you love that. So then you hit yes, you'll be led to a confirmation page where you have to accept the terms and conditions, agree, pay and accept. You will fill out this information here, and then you will be sent to the client server generator. What you will see is this screen here with some information stating that you can log in with the same credentials you have for As You Work. You log in, and I already have a preset of what is to be generated because it saves it, except for the files. So you want to go ahead and put these values in. So I'll go through you with them. So we got the name of the project, you got the acronym, some domain, staging and production. You won't really need to worry about this until you worry about actually publishing your work. Icon. So icons, you need one SVG, which is where the logo is actually the size of the image, and then one PNG where the logo is more centered and smaller. That's because it's needed for the icon genie, and it will look weird if you have a logo with the logo spread to the image with the logo spread to the edges. So then we go to the server. Server is a TypeScript Node JS server, and it starts on port 5008. You have these services you can select from. These are services that I made. I will be adding more as time goes on. Maybe make them viewable. It's be a good idea to do that. These services you need the API keys instead of src configs. And if you're doing an Android app, you need to ensure that you have the Google services where it's supposed to be, and the iOS app, you need to make sure you have the info plist. So SendGrid. SendGrid is a really good email API that allows you to just send emails. They worry about everything. You just have to give them the HTML and some information on where you want to send it, with what email you want to send. You have to register there. You have to register your email and validate it to make sure that you are allowed to send with it. This is the one I use. This is the alert email, where if there's any alerts within the processes that you make, they will get it will get alerted to this email. That's for more production purposes when something goes wrong and you should be notified. The client is on port 8008. You can set to whatever, make sure it's open. You can use the acronym for the name. You can select a theme. I have it set to neon. Select layout, sidebar layout. You have this here. You can select the color, and you have to upload a license file. License file is needed for the mainly the GitHub repo that you will probably make if you use this. I just use an MIT. So what you will get is when you generate this, which we can do so, I will put in the two files. G. All right, so now everything is filled out. I'll hit submit. View projects. This is one I made earlier for testing. Some more testings. This is the one that is currently running. Project will take around a minute to generate, but it won't delete until after its ready date or ready time. Shouldn't take too long. Oh, look, this one was quick. So you want to hit download. That will download the file, which is around 6.6 megabytes. It doesn't have the npm packages inside. We are going to go ahead and open this up. Going to do that